In the yesterday's class, we learned the operations on a set: union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. Isn't it? Union, intersection, and different properties and laws, whatever you are having it. And if you take two sets into consideration, and the two sets are called disjoint sets. Which sets are called disjoint? So the word itself says disjoint, no joint. Joint nahi hai. That means two sets are not joint. Common, there is no. So if A intersection B is equals to empty set, then A comma B are called disjoint sets. What do we call? Disjoint sets. Otherwise means if A intersection B is not equals to empty, some common elements are there. Joint sets is करना है, overlapping. We call them as a, then A comma B are called overlapping sets. These are called overlapping sets. So exercise number 1.4, if you see that, so this based on the union and intersection, you are having a problem. Okay, I think all of you can do it. It's not a very difficult problem here to explain here, but let us see here one just overview. First one, if you see that union of each of the following pair of sets. Here it is given. Two pair of sets are given in every way, and their union is asking here. So as an example, let us take the fourth problem one. Fourth problem, A is equals to X such that X is a natural number and 1 less than X less than. So X is a natural number here, X belongs to the natural number. I am writing in a short form. 1 less than X less than or equals to 6. So this if you want to write in a roster form. So what do you get? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And B set if you take X such that X belongs to the natural number and 6 less than X less than 10. 6 less than X less than 10. So in this situation, if you take into consider, what do you get here? 6 between 7 and 6 and 10. 7, 8, 9. So now the question is asking to you to find out the A union B. So A union B is nothing but 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 union set 7, 8, 9. So now you can write A union B as a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you want to write in a roster form, also you can write X such that X belongs to the natural number, 2 less than or equals to X less than or equals to 9 you can write, or you can write 1 less than X less than or equals to 9 you can write, 1 less than X less than 10 also you can write. In any way you can do. That's all union. Okay. So in this the different problems, if you yes, any doubt? Union is nothing but all the elements to be taken into consider except without repeating. Repetition should not be taken into consider. Okay. So if you see find the intersection of each pair of the questions given in one above. So first problem में क्या क्या दे दिया? वो fifth question is asking that to find out the intersection, that you can do it. Sixth problem also here it is given. A set is given, set of the odd numbers from 3 to 11, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 7, 9, 11, 13, C is equals to 11, 13, 15, and D is equals to 15, 17. And the question is asking here, these problems, how do you solve in the notebook? One proper order to be followed here. So let me take the one problem here. 9th question is, let us take into consider. So the question is given to you, A intersection B. The question is given to you, A intersection B union C. So first, whatever it is there in the brackets, you find out. So first thing is A intersection B. So what is A set given, that you write. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 11 is given? Yes, 3, 5, 7, 11. And intersection. B set is given 7, 9, 11, 13. 7, 9, 11, 13. And the intersection. Don't get confused. Intersection is nothing but only common. So whatever the common elements are present here in both 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11. You keep it aside this one. Next, this one you find out. B union C. See here, to avoid the confusion, you write the set. Some students, what they will do, they'll write B union C. From the question itself, they'll see, oh, B, A, A, A. That really makes a confusion sometimes. And it leads to you to write wrong answers. My best suggestion is that whenever the question is given to you like this, B union C, write the B set union C set. Otherwise, if you can see what is B given in the question, you can see, and directly also you can write. But sometimes it leads to you to write them with some numbers, some elements of the set. So my best suggestion is to write completely. So although it looks like a very lengthy, not more lengthy. 7, 9, 11, 13 you write, and union C is given to you 11, 13, 15. 11, 13, 15 you write. Here the union is asking. So union is nothing but 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Now the question is, ये दोनों का intersection. So you write again, A intersection B union C is asking. So this set is already here 7, 9, 11. Intersection, here intersection. This set is here 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So the common elements are here 7, 9, 9. A intersection B union C. As an interesting part, if you want to see this again, you are going to get 7, 9, 11 as a intersection B only. Isn't it? A intersection B union C. Okay. If you want to represent this in a Venn diagram, see here, A here, B here, C here. Okay. A, B, C sets if you are taking into consideration. A intersection B is nothing but this part. A intersection. And B union C is nothing but B union C. Let us represent with a vertical line. This part is B union C. दोनों को कॉमन किधर है? Yes.
सर आपने जो बी यूनियन सी का 7, 9, 11, 13 और 15 लिखा है ना सर लास्ट में
16 किधर भी नहीं लिखा. 15 यूनियन है ना. या
सर इसके नीचे वाला. सर बी यूनियन सी बोला सर.
B union C, what do you get here? B union C, what do you got?
हाँ ठीक है.
See, that's what this confusion to avoid only I told you to write B union C again here. Same thing. This is A intersection C here I wrote. B union C here. दोनों का intersection 7, 9, 11 होगा. Okay. So to avoid the confusion, that's why I told this problem to you. First thing you do remember that in the brackets whatever it is given that you find out. In this pattern you find out. One problem I told to you for that purpose. This problem. And Venn diagram, whenever you see that, then you are going to get the same thing. Okay. So now the sixth question, all the problems you can do it. It's not very difficult. All it is not necessary to you to explain, I think so. Seventh one, whenever you see that, if A is equals to X is the set of the natural numbers, B is the set of the even natural numbers, C is the odd natural number, D is the prime number. ABCD set. A is a natural number set, B is a even natural number set, C is the odd natural number set, D is the prime number set. So find A intersection B. Intersection of the natural number and B is the even natural numbers will be again even natural numbers. So A intersection P is B you are going to get. If you want, you can write that as a dash लेकर ये लिख सकते हैं. Otherwise directly A intersection B is equals to even natural numbers. A intersection C is equals to odd natural numbers. A intersection D is equals to prime numbers. B intersection C is equals to B and C का intersection नहीं होता है because B is the even number and C is the odd natural number. There is no number which is even and as well as odd. Okay, there is no number which is even and odd. 0 is neither positive nor negative. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 0 is neither positive nor negative. 1 is neither prime nor composite. वो prime नहीं है, composite भी नहीं है. But there is no number there which is even natural number and as well as odd natural number whenever you take it to consider. So B intersection C you will get empty set. B intersection D, what do you get? Even number, and D is even prime number. So in the prime numbers there is only one number. 2 is there. So that if you take into consider, seventh one, A is set of natural numbers, B is even natural number, C is odd natural number, D is prime number. D is a prime number. Now the question is, next question is B intersection D. So B even numbers, D is prime number. So even prime number is what? Only 2. 2 is the even prime number, even and as well as prime number. So B intersection D is 2. And if you, next question is C intersection D. Can you write the C intersection D? What do you get? All the prime numbers except 2. C is a what odd number? D is
Sir,
a what
3.
prime number?
3.
Can you write
Sir, 3 के बाद
C intersection? I am
7
asking one question to C intersection D as a something minus something. Can you fill up the 2 blanks? Minus, difference. Can anyone give this answer for this question? Like this individual things. If what is given in the textbook, you are not supposed to solve it.
So 5 minus 2.
No, here sets only you have to take. This is one set, this is another set.
Oh.
Yes. 2 sets. C intersection D. Actually, C intersection D, what do you get? Okay, you said correct. D, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and so on. This is a C intersection D. Isn't it?
Sir.
Odd numbers and as well as prime numbers. Odd
D
numbers
minus
and
B.
D?
D minus B. Minus B.
Here what?
D minus
D.
Delhi.
D.
Delhi.
D.
D for Delhi.
Yes, sir.
minus
B.
Minus B.
Yes, sir.
Check, sir. Once you check. Yes. Another way. This is right answer. Another answer. D minus dash.
A.
A. No?
Sir, C.
Where sir?
C. No. D minus C, what do you get? Only 2 you will get.
Sir, D minus D.
One hint will I give? Here a singleton set you will get.
Sir, D intersection D.
Yes. Otherwise, you can write B minus here. B intersection B. See here, these things you go on changing here and there, here and there. इधर से उधर मार, उधर से उधर कर लो. क्या आ रहा है वो चेक करते जाओ. So that
Sir, -2 is even.
huh?
Sir, -2 is even.
Minus
2 is even number.
I didn't get your
Sir,
point.
I am asking.
-2 given.
Sir, I am asking that. No, sir. I am asking that is -2 a even number?
Even number you are asking. Yes, but even natural
No,
number.
sir. No, sir. Even number. Even.
Yes. Even integer बोल सकते हैं उसको. Integral multiple.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here next clarify हो गया ना? Because one situation I have given to you, you should also, while solving each and every problem, if you come across with the different situations, you, in what way I am going, in that same way you try for the remaining problems also. The eighth problem is that which of the following pair of sets are disjoint? Disjoint is nothing but intersection empty आ रहा है. If intersection is empty, then disjoint. So you have to find out the intersection of the two sets, whatever it is given. And their intersection you find out empty set if you get, then you can proceed. Ninth question is given difference of the set. So shall we do these questions on a text notebook? Yes, to do it. Doesn't matter. It is deleted from your syllabus. Doesn't matter. You do it. A small concept only. Difference of the two sets is deleted.
So कौन सा वाला deleted?
Difference of the two sets.
So 9 number.
9 number question completely. You will not get in exam, but you do it. It's simple thing. You will not get in exam. Next, 10th question also it is given to you very simple. R is a set of the rational numbers and Q is a set of the irrational numbers. 10th question is you can do it with the variables it is given. And what is R minus Q? R minus Q, what do you get? R minus Q क्या होगा? R minus Q. Irrational numbers. All the real numbers other than the rational numbers. It is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers, in your textbook you see that it is denoted by the T. T it is given there. Okay. Now let us go for the next concept is complement of a set. Complement. So from this complement of a set. If U is the any universal set, U are mu also. This one also. In some books, in your textbook here only this representation given. In other books, this representation also will be given to you. This is mu. We call it as a mu. Okay, and you can represent this one also for the universal set. If this any universal set and A is the any set, then the complement of this set is denoted by A dash. A ऊपर dash लिखते हैं और A के ऊपर पावर C लिखते हैं, पावर C. Mostly this is used in your textbook. Yes.
सर उस U को क्या कहते हैं सर जो आपने पहले लिखा था? सबसे पहले जो U लिखा आपने.
U, that's all. U capital letter U. Universal.
अच्छा. ऐसे उसके पास वाला सर.
इसे mu कहते हैं. mu. M-Y-U. mu. Mu symbol का name mu है. This is capital U, capital letter U. Universal set representation. That's all. Okay. The complement of the set A का complement है. A के power dash लिखते हैं विपरीत आश्रम में. A complement as A power C. This is not given in your textbook, but this is only given. Let us use this one only. So A complement is nothing but universal set minus A. The elements which are present in universal set, but not in a given set. The elements of universal set other than that A are called A complement. Suppose if you consider Venn diagrammatic, this is U, universal set. This is set A. A complement is nothing but this, ये बाहर वाला, ये portion है ना, this portion is A complement. That portion is A complement. So complement of a set is, that's all, very simple here. So based on a complement of a set, you are going to have some properties of a complement of a set. So properties. So if you see that, so what are the main properties you are having? Let us see here. Complement laws. Okay. So properties में complement laws होता है, De Morgan laws होता है, and double complement law होता है, laws of the empty set and universal set. So 4 different laws will be there. The first one is complement law. So in this complement class, ये union A complement क्या होगा, A intersection A complement क्या होगा, 2 things. ये union A complement, you say this and this completely will be equals to universal set. ये union A complement. And the second one is A intersection A complement. A intersection A complement. A and intersection, there is no intersection actually. Complement का A का intersection कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है. So this is an empty set. So these 2 laws are called as a complement laws. Okay. Next one, De Morgan's laws. These are very important. De Morgan's laws. So 2 De Morgan's laws. A union B whole complement. A union B whole complement will be equals to A complement intersection B complement. Intersection होगा, reverse. See here, through the Venn diagram also you can prove that one. If you see that A B, ये है, ये B है. A union B whole complement. A union B means A part. Except this remaining part is nothing but A union B whole complement. This part is A union B whole complement. A intersection A
complement वाला part समझ में नहीं आया सर.
Complement is nothing but that one छोड़ के remaining whatever it is there in the universal set. किसका complement लेना चाहते हैं? Okay, except that one whatever it is there in the universal set, that should be taken into consideration. That's all. Complement is nothing but. See here, universal set minus A. Universal set minus A. तो एक्सेप्ट यूनिवर्सल सेट में ये इसमें एलिमेंट्स को बाहर निकालो. ये यूनियन बी होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट. अब ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट इंटरसेक्शन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट ड्रॉ करो, सेम आएगा आपको. दिस पोर्शन इज whatever shaded portion only you are getting, that shaded portion only. If you want to draw the Venn diagram for this is A, this is B. इंटरसेक्शन ना, इंटरसेक्शन को लेफ्ट साइड हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ड्रॉ करो, इंटरसेक्शन का राइट साइड वर्टिकल लाइन ड्रॉ करो. Isn't it? Whenever you draw the Venn diagram for the intersection part, intersection is there means left side one type of line, right side another type of line. So ये complement is nothing but ये है. इसको छोड़ के पूरा remaining ये complement. और B complement if you want to draw, B ये है, B को छोड़ के B complement. See here I am leaving. No B complement. So the final answer is what? Wherever both the lines are with, that is the final. A intersection B complement. So final complement वाला है ये, इसमें तो vertical lines हैं, इसमें तो actually here you are going to get here the horizontal lines. Yes. Here whenever you see that both the lines are where you are present here, both the lines this part छोड़ के ये part छोड़ के बाहर है, बाहर वाला. So here also you are getting the same thing. So from this you can say that A union B whole complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement. So union में this law is called as a De Morgan law. In the same way, if you consider A intersection B whole complement also, you are going to get A complement union B complement also. That one you try yourself. A intersection B whole complement. A intersection B whole complement Venn diagram try करो. हर चीज के लिए try करो Venn diagram. Wherever you get, then you will get more subjects. Really, extraordinary subject you are going to get. You try at home, not now here. Okay. So next thing is De Morgan's law. Law of the complement. Complement is nothing but law of the double complement both. Law of double complement. Double complement is nothing but complement is a complement. A complement, uska complement again A होगा. Complement of the A complement is again A you are going to get. So this is double complement law. And the law of the empty set and universal set. Fourth one is law of empty set and universal. Empty set का complement universal set. The complement of the empty set is universal set. Complement of the universal set is empty set. The main laws are here De Morgan's law. These are the main laws you have to know. These laws can be verified using the Venn diagrams. All can be verified using the Venn diagrams. Here I have told you the one Venn diagram too. You can verify it. Okay. So let us go for the exercise number 1.5. 1.5 whatever the questions are given completely based on a complement. ये सारा questions complement के ऊपर है. Okay. So these questions are you can do it. It's not very difficult to you. I think so. Exercise number 1.5. So what are the questions given? Let us see here one by one. First universal set is given to you 1 to 9, and set A is given, set B is given, and set C is given, and asking to you to find out the A complement. So whenever the question is given to you the complement of a set, A complement is nothing but U minus A. So U minus A is nothing but universal set is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus. Set A is given to you as a 1, 2, 3, 4. So here whenever you see here, if you want to get confused, आप लोग कंफ्यूज हो रहे तो इसमें कॉमन क्या है वो कट करो. बाकी सब इसमें क्या बचा है वो ही लिखना है. इस वाला नहीं तो नहीं लिखना है. इसमें क्या बचा है वो लिखो. Whatever it is left over here, that you write in the first step. That is only the complement. The two sets difference find out करते समय भी actually this way of cancellation is not correct. You should not cancel like that. Just for writing purpose, for easily identification purpose, just I am saying to you. In your mind you have to do eliminate करना है. ये common है, ये common है, ये common है, common है. Common वाला नहीं लेना. The elements which are present in this but not in that. In this minus is nothing but that one only. But to get practice, you can write like that. Okay, practice के लिए वो लिख सकते हैं. After getting the practice in the exam, you don't write. Such type of the cancellation will not be there. Like the 6 by 6 means if you cancel that 1 by 1, you will get. Not like that. Okay, so do remember that point. Next, if you take second problem, if universal set is given to you, find the complements of the 1 by 1 set. So that you can do that. Third problem, taking the set of the natural numbers as the universal set, write down the complements of the set. The first question is even natural numbers. Even natural number complement, odd natural numbers. Odd natural number complement, even natural number. Positive multiples of 3 complement is positive multiples of 3. X such that X is a universal set. Universal set is a natural number. Do remember here. Universal set is a natural number. So that you keep in the mind. Positive multiples of 3 is a set. So multiples of other than multiples of 3. Other than multiples. If you want to write in a roster form, You can write. First, suppose third question, third question. रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखना है, वो सेट कॉम्प्लीमेंट लिखने हैं रोस्टर फॉर्म में. देवयान, what?
No, sir.
This, mic off करो. It's disturbing a lot. Okay. So here complement of this multiples of 3 is asking. You can write that x such that x is not a multiple of 3. Not a multiple of 3. Other than the multiple of 3, or if you want to write in a roster form, 1, 2, 3 छोड़ना, 4, 5, 6 leave, 7, 8, 9 you have to leave, 10, 12, 10, 11. But it is not in a one order cannot be identified. Instead of writing like this, better you write the correct way of writing is roster form only, not roster form, set builder form. This is called a set builder form. Set builder form is the perfect answer. Instead of writing roster form. So if you see the fourth question, prime number. Can you tell me anyone? What is the answer for this? This most of the students will do the mistake. X such that x is a prime number. What is the complement of this set? Isha. X such that x is a prime number. Complement क्या है? Isha, can you hear me?
Hello.
Isha, can you hear me?
Sir.
What is the complement of the set of the prime number? Can you say? Trina. Isha.
Sir. Hello.
Sir, you are not properly audible. When I ask the question, she will say. Okay. Trina, can you say? प्राइम नंबर का कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या है? विदिता. Okay, Viprajit, you say.
So I think wait sir, second sir. So prime number का
इवन नंबर का कंपोजिट, ऑड नेचुरल नंबर, ऑड नंबर्स का कंपोजिट, इवन नेचुरल नंबर, प्राइम नंबर
वन आएगा शायद. वन शायद.
वन.
हाँ.
सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. यस.
सर x प्राइम नंबर शायद वन ही आएगा.
नो. Complement of the prime number 6. Other than the prime numbers, remaining all the natural numbers. So how do you say? Composite number, can you say? Okay, I will say that complement of the prime number is a composite number. Is it right? Why not?
No, sir.
Why not, Devya?
Sir, Sir, we will write that x is a positive composite number or x equal to 1.
X is a positive composite number and x is equal to 1 you want it. Yes. This is the point I want X to extract from you because 1 is a neither prime nor composite. So most of the students will confuse and say that odd numbers का complement even numbers होता है, even numbers का complement odd numbers.
सब वही तो बोल रहा था.
What?
सब मैं भी वही बोलना चाहता था सर.
You are saying only one you are
सर
saying.
उसका कारण यही तो था सर कि one is neither prime nor composite.
One is neither prime nor composite. One along with the one, all the composite numbers will be there. Along with the 1, all composite numbers will be. So the mistake is what usually if it's a complement to write, most of the students will write x such that x is a composite number, they'll write. X is a composite number and x is equals to 1. Because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Or you can write in a simple way, x such that x is not a prime number. Simple. Not a prime number. If it is not a prime number, that should be taken into consideration. Not a prime number, and that's a natural number होना है, because universal set is natural number given. Simple thing. No need of thinking. Not add करना है. आधा से ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं सोचना है. Just simply add a not whenever you take into consideration. That's all. It's an easy answer. Okay. So now if you see the remaining problem solve, it's not a very difficult. Perfect square दिया है. Not perfect square लिख सकते हैं. Perfect cube दिया है. Not perfect cube लिख सकते हैं. Yes, you can write in a roster form if you want to write. In a roster form if you, in a set builder form if you want to write. Roster form is nothing but by leaving that, but it won't be in a perfect way. I think so. It won't be in a perfect way if you see that like that. Next one is, third problem is over. You can solve it. It's not a very difficult. What about the 8th problem in this? See here, 8th one. What is the question given here? X is such that x plus 5 is equals to 8. So what is the answer for this? X plus 5. X is only 3. Only 3. So other than 3, all the natural numbers. So the complement of this set is, this set is a complement. And do remember that you are not supposed to write is equals to the complement of the set is equals to लिखता है. Don't write is equals to. The set you write and its complement you write. Otherwise this one you write as a something A, B, first question को A, second question को B consider करो. Like that. Otherwise you consider this as a A, इसको भी A मान लो. So A complement लिखो. A complement is equals to, if you want to write, natural numbers minus singleton set. 6. Other than the 3, remaining all the natural numbers. And if you want to write in a roster form,
सर वो क्या लिखा है सर? n minus है क्या सर?
n minus singleton set 3.
Oh,
because here you are going to get only 3, which satisfies this equation. ये equation को satisfy करने वाला only 3 आएगा. So now 1, 2, 3 छोड़ के 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on, all the natural numbers. Roster form. Or you can write in a set builder form if you want to write simply x such that x plus 5 is not equals to 8. Is equals to 8 दिया है, not equals to 8 right? Not equals to. Here I have given not equals to. Simple है ना? Here in what way I see, it's a prime number I told, not a prime number. Is equals to 8, not equal to 8. What's wrong? So, 9th problem, if you see the 2x plus 5 is equals to 9 दिया है, 2x plus 5 not equals to 9 दे हो. 10th question, x such that x greater than or equals to 7. X such that x less than 7. Less than 7, you write. Next one is 2x plus 1 greater than 10. 2x plus 1 less than or equals to 10. Greater than 10 whenever it is given, less than or equals to. Greater than or equals to whenever it is given, less than. So like that you can take into consider. And 4th problem, you verify करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. These problems will be given to you in your exam. Usually, A union B whole complement is nothing but first A union B find out करो individually. Then after A union B complement find out करो. Okay. So you can do that. It's not very difficult for you to do these problems. So next practical problems based on the union and intersection will go for in the next class. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask me now. Till now. In the set. Or if you want one problem to solve in a 4th bit, because that model questions are usually asking in exams. 4th bit problems. One model I will explain to you. It's not difficult. It's very simple actually. 4th bit. What is given here? A union B. We have to verify that A union B whole complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement. So first what to do? First, we need to find out A union B. A union B find out. So, what is A here? It is given to you 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Union. What is B given to you? 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. The union of these two will be 2. 3 user हैं 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you need a complement. A union B whole complement is equal to E minus 8. The universal set is 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus. Set A. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Till the 8. So what do you get here? You are going to get
1 and 9.
1 and 9. This is left hand side. Left hand side we have. And right hand side करने के लिए what to do here? To do right hand side, A complement find out करो. A complement is nothing but U minus universal set minus A. Universal set you are going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus. Set A is given to you as a 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8 is a set A. So other than 2, 4, 6, 8, between 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is A complement. See here, that is only set. Here 2 है, here confuse avoid करने के लिए 4 है, 6 है, 6 है, 8 है, 8 है. Cancel करके remaining elements you can write with a pencil if you want. Until you get the practice. Until you get the practice with the pencil you do, then after erase it. Pencil लिख रहे तो answers से, then to avoid the confusion I am saying to you. And next B complement find out करो. B complement is nothing but U universal set minus B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus B. B set is given to you as a, what is given? 2, 3, 5, 7. Huh? Yes, 2, 3, 5, 7. So 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the actually prime numbers. Okay. 1 to 9 between the prime numbers given. 1 can be taken, 2, 3 should not be taken, 4 and 5 should not be taken, 6, 7 should not be taken, and 8 and 9 should be taken. You see here. So थोड़ा सा confusion होता है. Easy method is what? इधर 1 है, इधर 2 है, ये 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 7. बाकी सब इसमें क्या है वही लिखना. उसमें क्या है वो नहीं लिखना है. Do remember this. Whenever minus is there. Only first set. First set में बाकी सब कितना बचा है वो लिखना है. So this is the set. Next to here what is intersection is asking. ये intersection, A complement intersection. So you write here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and intersection. B complement 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. दोनों में common क्या है? 1 is common and the next 3 is not common, 5 is not common, 7 is not common, 9 is not common. So we are getting 1 and 1, 9 is common here, 1 and 9 are common. So here 1 and 9 you got, here 1 and 9 you got. So therefore you can write A union B whole complement is equals to A complement intersection. What is this, you know? What is that property called? What is that law called? De Morgan's law. Do remember.
De Morgan's law.
This law is called De Morgan's law. Second one is also De Morgan's law. So this question usually it is asked in the previous exam. So you can do it. The remaining problems you try at home, and if you have any doubts, you can ask in the Google Classroom directly or in the next class. And next 1.6 is very, very important, and based on that only the main problems will be asked to you in the examination. 1.6. So don't miss the next class whenever I teach 1.6. Okay. Thank you.